In this video today, we will learn how to add an add-on domain into Hajana One Hosting plan. First of all, open your CPanel by entering your domain name /CPanel. Enter your login details and click Login button. And go to Add-on Domain. Now enter your domain name and any name for subdomain. Document root will appear automatically. Now click on Add Domain. Add-on domain is successfully created now. Please note, add-on domain can be added when you have Hajana One Unlimited hosting plan. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.